Hey everyone, welcome back to the campground. And you were looking at this Christopher Knight X-Base Teak Finish mid-century modern outdoor patio table. And bottom line up front, this thing is not only beautiful, but it's also very functional. Let's take a look at it. So starting with the basics, looking down from above, you can see that this is a square table. It's 35.5 inches across, and it pairs perfectly with these Christopher Knight chairs. The base though is where this thing really shines. It's got what the Christopher Knight store calls the X-Base, and it has a great design to it that gives it a mid-century modern look. Along with that base, you get adjustable feet, so if your patio's uneven, there's no problem. This table's gonna be nice and sturdy at the end of the day. The table is perfect for 4 people, whether it's dining, playing cards, or just conversating. It's a great centerpiece for a patio area. But what you really want to know is would I recommend it or would I buy it again? Absolutely. When we moved into our cabin, we wanted a little dining area outside, somewhere that a couple of friends could come over, we can gather, eat, play cards, and be comfortable and have a great looking piece out here at the same time. We love the mid-century modern look, and this Christopher Knight table fit the bill across all of that. It was easy to put together, it looks great with the teak finish, it's got a great mid-century modern look, and it's the perfect space for 4 people. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.